Hello you beautiful people. Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we have the unboxing of the Lookfantastic beauty box for March. This is what the box looks like this month, and it's the Beauty Beyond Boundaries box. If you are new here, by the way, hello, welcome. I'm LuceStephenson, but you can call me Luce because we're all friends here. If you are new, don't forget to hit subscribe and give this video a thumbs up so I know to do more of these in the future. This was very kindly gifted to me from Lookfantastic, so thank you so much. I will leave all my previous months linked down below if you want to check out what kind of vibe you get from this box, and I'll leave them all linked down below for you as well. And let's just get straight into it. So the box retails for £15 a month. If you sign up for a 3-month or 6-month or 12-month contract, the box can go down to as little as £13 a month. I also have a 10% off discount code that I will leave down below for you to use as well. And let's just get straight into it. So as always, it comes with the little booklet inside that gives us a bit of information about the products. And then this is what this month's box looks like. This month's box smells unbelievable, by the way. This box actually comes with 7 items this month, which is actually crazy, especially for the price of it as well. So let's start with the first one. So this is a mineral mud soap, and this is what it looks like. So it says it's a purifying soap suitable for use on both the body and the face, and it's formulated to wash away any dirt and impurities without stripping your skin. I'm just reading what it says in the little leaflet that I get with it as well. So it just says obviously to lather it up and to massage it over the face and body and then rinse afterwards as well. I wonder if this is what smells. Yeah, is this? That smells really nice. This is just what it looks like. Then we have a full-size double-ended brush. This is from Brushworks. It's a double-ended brow brush. So obviously on one side you have this spoolie, and then the other side is the more angled side for you to put on your brow products as well. Nice to see a full-size brush in there as well, because the little brushes always get lost in my little pot, so I'm very happy with that. Then we have a product from Lottie London. This is their AM to PM retractable eyeliner. Bougie, and this one is in the shade black. Really glad that it's in the shade black because it's going to be a shade that most people will typically use for eyeliner as well. So this is just what it looks like, and it says it's got a sharpener as well, so the sharpener is just in the bottom of it. Really like that, because obviously even though it is a kind of retractable one, you still want to have it so it's pointy, so you can actually be quite precise with it as well. So really happy that it comes with a little sharpener on the bottom too. Next up, this one has me so excited. It's all know I'm on like a little hair journey at the moment as well, to get my hair back to how long and thick it used to be many moons ago, especially before I went like purple and stuff. But anyways, this is a hair mask. This is from Christoph Robin, and it's their regenerating mask with rare prickly pear seed oil. I always end up saying things wrong in these videos. This is just what it looks like. So it says it's a revitalizing hair treatment, perfect for dry and damaged hair, which, hello, that's me. And it says to basically penetrate through your hair and your scalp, and that it will protect it from split ends and breakage, as well as also treating coloured hair as well. Obviously, you all know I get highlights, and I also get like normal dye as well for my darker bits of my hair too. So I'm gonna need this. I'm missing my hairdressers so much. I'm going to need that until everything opens back up again. So next up is a product that you could have got a selection of 1 or 2. So they're both from First Aid Beauty, and the one that we got was the Facial Radiance Pad. So it helps to exfoliate, tone and brighten. It's alcohol free, and it's also safe for sensitive skin. And whereas the other one that you could have got was the Coconut Water Cream, which was like a moisturiser, I believe. I'm really glad that I got this because I have absolutely loads of moisturisers, whereas this is more up my street. So it says it's to promote a natural healthy glow to your complexion. It's suitable for daily use, and it works to reduce the look of pores and fine lines whilst brightening and smoothing the skin as well. And I like the fact that it's safe to use on sensitive skin types, because you all know I react quite easily to things recently. So this will come in handy, that the fact that it's actually okay for sensitive skin as well. Last 2 products. The first one is from a brand that I've not heard of before, but I really like the packaging. This is the Blossom & Blossom Wonder Worker Multitasking Balm. So it says to apply with clean fingers to skin that needs extra attention, obviously to help to moisturise or to help with any kind of cracked skin. Obviously you can use this whether you want to use it on your lips or anywhere that you need it really. So it'll be really good if you kind of struggle with like psoriasis on your hands or anything like that. That'll be really good for that as well. And then last but certainly not least, we have this. This is from the brand, is it Polar? that's how you pronounce it. But this is the moisturising cream with iceberg water in it. It says that you basically massage it onto slightly damp skin after your bath or your shower until it's fully absorbed, and it's basically a cooling treatment that will leave your skin feeling really hydrated and refreshed, and it has 3 active ingredients within it. I'm just reading off the little booklet again. It says it will nourish your complexion by warding off dryness and dehydration. I feel like this box has been really good for dry skin or dry hair, especially with like the balm and stuff as well. But the 3 active ingredients are iceberg water, hyaluronic acid, which obviously us dry skin kind of gals love, and then the last one I'm not even going to try and pronounce. That's it. That's it. Antarctica. I know that one. So that is literally everything that you got. And for £15, or obviously if you sign up for a bigger kind of monthly contract with the box, because the £15 one you can cancel it whenever you want, where the other ones are like 3 months, 6 months, 12-month contract, you can get this box for as little as £13. And then you can also use my code that I've got linked down below as well, and that'll get you an extra 10% off as well. So let me know what you think of this box. Do you think it's worth it? Especially for 7 products as well. I think it's definitely been worth it this month. And I'll hopefully will see you for a brand new video very, very soon. I upload on Mondays, Wednesdays, Fridays and Sundays. So I'll hopefully see you on one of them days. I just want to say as well, thank you so much to my patrons. I'll put all their names on the screen now. If you want to join our exclusive Patreon community, I will leave the link down below, and also a video explaining it as well. But we now have an exclusive Instagram where I've been doing a couple of lives as well. So hopefully we'll see you on my Patreon as well. Love you so much. Bye.